Bono basomi omwancho muligereria bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na ende nechinga kichingia tokumerana semesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere litukulia 23 omutenyi oikomi omwaka wechirwe Ibere na 22 Jumapili ngiya bono chinga kina kwariganiria talimake kuruga igase studio omanyangana raliaya atekire ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii na Kenya yonsi nyora litukulia lero omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto na mokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua amo nababwatani korwa sobo mabwa Kenya kwanza niko bagendrete gwikirana AMASABO yo kwiraneria ngambi ya mono ase county ya KITUI ensemo ya KITUI AIC township abwasanya ariko bagakwareganiwa no governor bwe county ya KITUI Julius Malombe no libwe county ya Machakos omoswati wa Vinya ndeti ayongati yali na kwareganiria senchira yobwenge asebali mogotobwate gwetera senchira ye mitandao na otolibu na Ndizi TV News Digital abuwa Facebook na bayigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet botambe ase namba ere ase ATV yao nkoirananda ase kekerebosyo egerenko manye ayomana yanda mange asenchera yobwenge. Ncheni ngonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita no liatoka konya na komo goika asensemo yebimanyerelio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tiga to chake korwa ase county ya Kisii na boigo ase county ya Nyamira abwaso mulikito bomangana Amayia job mangi anyartko baga kumerana nabamanyibeli chiko eliokoru bomanyi inganki amangana yebina byamaremo anyartko baga kobucha ase county echo Ibere egentoge kwirera nonyene chiamatego sinya kwenia abamwabo kubwatekana nebine binge bichoriranete ase bigambero ende bitarakorwa ase bono mwakili Danstan Omari na kwanete no mulikito na kumanyire job mangi nganki ge kwirera ebina bigo ichorirana na ende ninki abantu abange bagusinya kweneria abamwabo kubwatekana nebinebyo
ebina byasokwa omubere ryoga chumochari obero emyaka otanya koenigwa asengencho yogotamanya lichi konkiri goteba lichi korireiga onyo monto ryo kwete kabwata sagutindekwa obore mobwo gotindekwa ase lichi ko obore 6x6 agantaka sinini lakini ese gotoka abantu bagatena obore mobombori bwaye ba goike koti etegerere tanga baburaka gutanga abana bali baretani bakorukwe birentane gutanga abantu mbaba participate gari kera mukungu oryo maremu bantu mba mwanjete oseri guna takube tagocha gari tari kobe ku program lichi kori gotebana kuika a participate ase ogotinde kwa mare Tomo chako baimea Ndizi TV oroboti oruno chekoronyora senchera yoboikirano ekere kuraga ensa ayemo ne Chinsa Isano chobotuko bwarero Oskobosione libuno moraibu ense Dr. William Ruto no morayo ya Rigathi Gachagua amona babwatani korwa sobo mabwa Kenya kwanza nigo baikiranire ase kanisa ya KITUI AIC township ase ogwaka ngambia mono AMASABO yo kwiraneria ngambia mono Governor we county yo Julius Malombe nolio Machakos musubati wa Vinya ndeti ngati yaba governor baikiranire ase AMASABO yo musubati ndeti okwaneire igoro yo muchando bwenchara orase orogongo rwa Bukamba nabo igamangana y'Oborendi chinga ky'abantu bagenderete kurwana kubwatekana no koliyo bonyansi na machama yayo konywa ase etugo yabo
kwa utatusaidia sisi kama Wakamba. Kuna shida mingi, your excellency. Njaa ni shida Ukambani, usidanganywe na mtu. Yesterday I just got into my car quietly and I drove around Masinga. It is so sad. Children are fainting in school because there is no food. We cannot be eating and our children are suffering. And I want to thank you, your excellency, and also your deputy. We had a meeting with your deputy. Some of Ukambani, especially Machakos, was not in the ASAL areas, and you agreed to put us in the ASAL areas. Thank you so much. We are receiving our food on Monday, and we shall ensure with your county commissioner and everyone, the food reaches where it is supposed to reach. Asante sana. Tunashukuru. Excellency, vile umeambiwa ni security. We don't want our people to fight. Wasomali na sisi ni mandugu. Na hakuna haja ya watu kupigana kwa sababu ya malisho. Ngamia za watu zinakatakatwa na hao Wakamba mashamba yao yanalishwa na wenye hizi ngamia. Tafadhali tuangalie tu vile tutaweza kuleta amani, tukae na amani katika Kenya. We need peace. And thank God it was very peaceful after the election. There has never been peace in this country like that. Kulinyamaza tu na maisha ikaendelea.
Chingaki ensegenderete kuinyora na guchengira rituko gose omochando buborwaire bwa cancer ya robere gose breast cancer month nigo bono abanyaruka guchakira miaka 15 no muguche igoro basemigwe gwika ase bituo byobochenu gose chinyagitari ao elio korengwa omochando yo batali wakanira kindi gionsi korengana nababwatani korwa sebyombe au bakorwa obasemya guchya sabasubati nigo batebira omochando yo ekero manyekanire genkyo nigo korwariwa ase enchera yo boikiranu kigima basubati abo baumeranete amana basubati babwato omochando buboroiro bo ase county ya Murang'a nigo batebire mechando bagwetera buna barwaire anene mono mochando bw'echibesa ase ngencho korwari mochando yo nigo gotaka chibesa chinyinge mono na kibona basubati basemiwe wesokya elio korengwa genkyo
queste there is the early screening which is of great help to women. So I would request that they also come up with programs that will help women to do early screening, because most of them they note they have the cancers when they are already maybe affected, when they are in stage 2 or stage 3 and even stage 4. So if there are programs that would assist the women to know their status, their cancer status as early, this will be of great help to the women.
Usaidizi wa hiyo dawa juu iko na pesa mingi sana. Hata saa zingine mtu anafinyika juu ya kupata hiyo pesa, hata familia wanachoka, saa zingine wanachoka juu ya nini ya hiyo pesa. Sasa ukasimama matibabu juu ya kukosa hiyo pesa ya nini ya matibabu. Hiyo dawa inaitwa Herceptin. Na dawa hiyo inatakikana 64,000. Ndio inatakikana kwa after 3 weeks.
To the government of the day is that they need to come up with programs that will assist those women or maybe men who are undergoing the cancer treatment, because as I've said, it is very costly, it's a journey, and so they need to come up with the programs that will help the women to get the money that they need for the cancer treatments.
Aba bwatani amo nabarai be dini yege Islamu korwase county ya Garissa nigo baumiranire mu basorero unenchera yamayogo chamo na kubeka masababene eliogo sabira embura enyare ko bakigotua ase ensemeyo nyore county ya Garissa ngati echi county chibwateranire no mochando bumurakera amo nenchara chinga kikorengana nabarai bensemeyo batebire etugo nigegendrete gusiria obogima bwabo nabo igabanta bange batabwati endagere isaine yokoria chinga kiecho nigo babolire serikali enene kubwaterana serikali ya county ya Garissa korete ndagira yobokonyi eliogokonya banta bange ase county eyo.
Here to pray to our Lord subhanahu wa ta'ala for rains. Kuna ukame mbaya hakika, none like before, never like before seen. Tunaumia sana sana hapa kwetu Garissa County and of course in the entire region. Hakika there are a lot of problems for the lack of the rains. You are all aware, the media is aware, kwamba watu kule, our people who keep livestock, our wealth is in our livestock. Our livestock is gone. Our little farming activities are dead. Our even, a little wildlife We used to have plenty of wildlife in Garissa County once upon a time.
Chingaki totigarete ase angana yo muchando bwenchara e county ya Turkana ne rotera tigwa magega aso muchando yo chingaki bono abasamaria baya anene korwa sababu atani bebyumbe buna ebyo musarabo mubaliri go se Red Cross bagendrete korwa bokonyi asenseme yo kolende kolengana na barabwo omubaro bw'abantu abange abana abasubati abasacha nabega abantu abagatu nigoro yo igoro mono na igendagera babwate yo bokonyi tegwisana abantabo kolengana no gavana we county ya Turkana Jeremiah Lumurukurai nigonere sokire na gotebonye kinde nkigo chigokorwa sobwango abantu abange nigo baguche gusira ubugima ase county ya Turkana.
It's very dire, I would say, and we know that Turkana is categorized also already in the alarm stage, so which means that we need to intervene and intervene quickly. As a society, we have been intervening in the different areas, but as I mentioned, there are still too many people that require this assistance, and therefore there is need to scale up.
In the next few weeks or even a month, watu wetu wataanza kufa kwa sababu ya njaa. Kwa hivyo tunauliza organization zote ambazo zinahusika na mambo ya humanitarian aid, tafadhali mkuje kwa haraka, mtusaidie sisi, msaidie watu wetu, because the situation we have on the ground is very alarming. Ni mbaya kabisa. Njaa iko Turkana kwa njia ile hatuwezi kuongelea.
Omorobelio bwoko balingolia abawaziri abachore meronge ibere na bane no igetomo elio abwoli tukuligoro chinga ke meronge ibere na babere baraba waziri ase chinsemo ao oyo monomo prime cabinet secretary no yo monomoliki asaba waziri go se secretary to the cabinet. Oroboti oruo go se committee yo yale koragwa amonomo chairman go sumunya kirogo we committee yo Moses Wetangula nigobono atebire bagucha korosio roboti oroikirano oruorora chikwaegwa ase ababunge bachigokorera oboringoria nabo igo gocha gwakira chikura gose amalieta yonsi na chikoba kagwetiwa onyamalieta yo kagocha gwetiwa nigo abawaziri abo bagocha gutianirwa na gochaka bene emeremo ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nse yo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto kolengana na Wetangula orobati uroni goro gocha gosoka wangwiga.
You are retreating to start preparing the report. We cannot keep the government and the country in suspense without cabinet, because the role of cabinet under our constitutional dispensation is critical and clear. We'll retreat to prepare our report, which should be out by early next week. The rest will be through the normal laid out steps and our standing orders, because we are a committee of the plenary of Parliament. We must report back to the plenary of Parliament through the House Business Committee, and whatever report we make must also be voted on.
Omorai wekema kia waipa asomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigatebire bagucha korua obokorari asokuligereria asoboime ninki serikali ya Dr. Ruto egocha gokora barabwo buna ensemo yokwamiria serikali gose opposition kolengana na Kalonzo nigatebire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza goikicho kole mirimo boikirano na koikirania chira chiribalire taba Kenya chinga kibale koligia chikura nigaya kwaneta ya litukuligoro ase county ya Homa Bay asa matanga yo mugaka Stanley Kaluma oyore tatu mwabo mobunge bwensemo ya Homa Bay town Peter Kaluma asatebire Raila Odinga amo nensemo ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya mbache gochoraba waziri gose shadow cabinet.
I also want to actually ask President William Ruto. He himself was expecting he was going to be leader of opposition. Hii kitu aliangukia. Basi apane heshima for official leadership, official position. of this country. Hivi majuzi baba akirudi, we are going to announce our shadow cabinet. Shadow cabinet, because we want to hold them to account. Complete with their own budget, which will be presented. I think one time Bill Okero, if you remember Jim, presented an opposition budget. Because we must hold this country. We have only this country to call home. Hatuna mahali pa kwenda.
Nabo bisabe serikali kurwase kaunti ya Malindi nigo bono baganiri oborendi waigoro kubikwa sensemeyo korengana nebikore byobosalia bigendrete kwenekigwa ase ensemeyo korengana no mo DCC Thuo Wangugi no mubunge bwensema ya Malindi Amina Munyazi nigo batebire ebikore by'abantu abagotu gusambwa na goitwa ase gukagirwa ko babarogi nigo bigendrete komenteka ase ensemeyo asaba menyi babori gotiga ebikore ebyo asengencho okuno kuburwa masikani asabanta bagotu
kiwa na mtu anakuwa ni mkali. Na mimi nasemanga mara kwa mara, sitatoka kusema hapa. Ndio naona tu wazazi wetu wakizeeka, badala ya kuwasherehekea tunaua. Swali yangu ni hili, wale wanatekeleza hii maneno ni vijana. Kwani nyinyi vijana umewekelewa jiwe hamkui? Sasa nyinyi mtakuwa wazee? Sasa nyinyi mtauawa basi? Tukiendelea namna hii tutaendelea hivi mpaka lini? Wacha kusema hapo ndio mnafanya maneno.
The NGCDF tutaketi pamoja na DCC tuweze ku-identify zile black spot area ambapo watu wanakwenda kuibiwa, tuende tukaangalie kama kuna mataa ama hakuna mataa. Na kama hakuna mataa, mimi kama mjumbe niweze kujukumika tuweke mataa ili hizi area ambazo ziko na black spots tuweze kuziondoa hapa ndani ya Malindi sub-county. Usalama ni muhimu zaidi sisi kwetu sisi. Wakati wa kampeni yangu tulikuwa tunasema tunakwenda kufufua tourism. Tunataka utalii ufufuke. Sasa tukiendelea na haya mambo ya usalama kama hayako sawa sawa, utalii utafufuka vipi hapa ndani ya Malindi sub-county?
Mbia mano mwanchu murigereria kwira chingaki chiao kuyabwatia Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere ekerondo chengu ikero mwerio bwa Amayia kurende chikoraga 10 chimeragoba ya bono ndichikumira na SMS yeiga nkomanyia yo amana yanda mange asenchira yo wikirano asabali mugo tobwatia na konyori mirobiri ya iteme ikirano tobwatia Ndizi TV News digital ensema ya Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube olitobwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta olionekia chibicha na mariogia gwikira senchira yo boikirano nigakoro kwa John Kebati na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Untitled